Hey guys, Joel from Smoking Roo's Barbecue here. I'm going to give you a little bit of a look at our new 18-inch Razzo. We have the red. Today we're going to do a burn-in, and tomorrow it's going to be its first cook, a black onyx brisket from Butcher and Brunker at Adamstown. Alrighty. We have some pretty solid locking devices here. Heat-proof handles, so they're not going to get hot. Our doors have a nice seal around them. Nice solid locking device. Underneath we have 3 air vents. So 3 air vents. We have nice sturdy legs. Big gauge at the top for those that aren't real good with their sight. I'm going to take it off and give you guys a look inside. Inside our Fornetto we have a top grill grate. We also have 2 pretty large basket sized grills. Now to get those off we just unclip our side latches. Take that top piece off, and here we have 2 really good sized baskets, and they just stack on top of each other. Below that we have our water pan. Some people use it for water, others will put sand in, whatever you need. And then down the bottom we have our charcoal pit. I'm going to give these a good burnout today for a couple of hours. What I'm going to do first is coat all these internal parts with some vegetable oil, wipe over the top of all the parts, and then all inside here as well. We're going to make sure that it's all covered with a bit of oil, and then we're going to do a burn off at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For a good couple of hours. We've just popped half a chimney full of the heat beads in over the top of some lump. We've got our vents wide open, trying to get that air through. We're going to get it nice and hot and get it cranking for about 2 hours. Charcoal's been on for a few minutes now. Temperature's still rising, all the vents are open. We're at about 250 Fahrenheit, not quite 250 as we can see. Vents wide open, doesn't seem to be any leakage at all from the smoke. I'm really happy with it. Obviously there's a bit coming out the top vent, which is where you want it to come out of. So far so good. Been cracking away here for about 45 minutes. Sitting on just under 300 degrees. Absolutely no leakage whatsoever. Really happy with the build of the Fornetto Razzo. We're going to get some meat on this thing and get it firing.